In today's video, I will walk you through how to calculate average in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, open Google Sheets. To calculate the average math score for a group of students, click on an empty cell like F2. Type equals average open parenthesis B2:B, 6 close parenthesis, then press enter. Google Sheets will calculate the average of all the values in cells B2 through B6 instantly. Next, to calculate the average score for one student across multiple subjects, click another empty cell and type equals average open parenthesis B2:D 2 close parenthesis, then press enter. This calculates the average of the values across that row. You can use the same method for any row or column by changing the cell range inside the formula. To calculate the overall average for the entire table, click an empty cell and type equals average open parenthesis B2:D6 close parenthesis, then press enter. Google Sheets will calculate one overall average using all the values in that range. Anytime you update the numbers in your spreadsheet, the averages will update automatically as well. And that's how to calculate averages in Google Sheets using the average formula. Thank you for watching the video.